Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. My name is Aiman and today in this video we will learn how to use Hlookup function. We will see that why do we use Hlookup functions and where do we use Hlookup function. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So here we have the data set where in first column we have the subject names and in first row we have the student IDs. So here we have S006, S027, S005, S003. Their student ID is randomly written and we have their marks out of 50 over here and we have the name of the list. Like for student S001, the name of student is this and here is the phone number, contact number. So like that way we have full whole 30 students name and student ID. So now I want that here I should fetch the name of this student S027 student ID. The name of that student is Sharma Rima. So I want that name to be above this. So first I will add one row, and to add one row I can right click and insert. Instead of using this, I can use the shortcut also, that I will select the row by pressing shift and space bar and then I will press Control Shift plus. So I have added one row. Now I want to add what is the name of this student ID. So one way to do is like manually copy pasting, but it is very time consuming and here we want to do this task in very minimal time. So we will be using Hlookup function. Why we will be using Hlookup function? Because we want to fetch our data in horizontal way. If this task in the vertical form, so we would be using VLOOKUP function. To use Hlookup function, we will first press equal to and try to type the formula. Now we have just typed HL and we know that here the lookup function is visible. So we can click on this function, double click on this function and select the function, or we can just press tab button. So just by pressing tab, we can see that in our cell the formula is now coming up. Now the first thing which we need to add is lookup value. So student ID is the lookup value of which we want the name. The next thing which we will do is table array. So table array, we can see that this is the table. So we will select full table and we will try to fix this table so that this table should not move when we drag the formula to the next cell also. What if we don't fix this table? So what will happen if I will drag this formula from B column to C column, then instead of taking A to AE, it will take B to AF. So that's why we are fixing this range. Now the next thing is row index number. Row index number over here is second because first is the student ID, then second is name. So 2, then comma and 1 for true. So here we can see that now we have received the name of the student. And now I will drag this formula over here. So we can see that for fifth, it is coming as this name. And we will see for fifth, here the name is correct. Now we will see what if we wouldn't have fixed this thing. So now I will just remove the dollar sign. So if I will drag this formula now, so you can see that in first formula it's A to AE. In second formula it's B2 to AF. So right now here still it is coming in range. But what if I drag this whole formula and see, you can see NA over here because it is taking the formula name list from I to AM. But this S001 is falling under B column. That's why. So for that reason, we fixed this range by pressing F4. So now we have fixed the range and now we will drag this formula. So I have just selected the range, and to drag this formula in a row, we will press Ctrl R. By pressing Ctrl R, now we can see that here also the formula is A to A and names are coming perfect. So this is the very simple way to apply Hlookup function. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video and you have understood the topic. If you have any doubt, just comment us. Thanks for watching the video.